Sailing was amazing today. Oh my gosh. On this boat right here, this draw, sailed it out there for 4 hours and actually got a really good sense of feeling the wind, feeling the water, looking at the wave, how it's coming at the boat in relationship to your boat to also help you with determining if you're on close reach, close hauled, beam reach, broad reach. So, oh my gosh, she was amazing, Lisa, the instructor. So now it's Michael's turn. So yes, I'm gonna go debrief my brain with the ASA 101 book, and I'm ready to go sailing for real.